Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money designed to work as a medium of exchange over the internet. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments and central banks, cryptocurrency is decentralized and typically operates on blockchain technology. This decentralized nature is what makes it revolutionary, secure, and, for many, the future of finance. At its core, cryptocurrency uses cryptography to secure transactions, control the creation of new units, and verify asset transfers. This ensures that data can't be tampered with and that the network remains transparent and trustworthy. One of the earliest and most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, introduced in 2009 by an unknown person or group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. A cryptocurrency transaction is recorded on a blockchain, which is essentially a distributed ledger maintained by a network of computers. Each computer, or node, on the network holds a copy of the blockchain. When someone sends cryptocurrency to another person, that transaction is verified by the network through a process called mining or proof of stake, depending on the system used. Mining is most commonly associated with proof of work, a consensus mechanism that requires computational power to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve it gets to validate the transaction and add a new block to the blockchain, earning a reward in the form of newly minted coins and transaction fees. This is how new bitcoins are created. On the other hand, proof of stake is a more energy-efficient mechanism. Instead of miners, there are validators who are chosen to create new blocks based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake or lock up as collateral. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, recently transitioned to this model to reduce energy consumption and increase scalability. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, which come in two forms: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are more convenient for frequent transactions. Cold wallets are offline and offer enhanced security, making them suitable for long-term storage. These wallets hold private keys, long alphanumeric strings that are essential for accessing and managing your funds. The value of a cryptocurrency is determined by supply and demand, market sentiment, use cases, and overall adoption. For instance, if a particular coin is used widely for peer-to-peer transactions, smart contracts, or decentralized applications, its demand may rise, increasing its value. Volatility is common, with price swings influenced by factors like regulatory news, tech upgrades, and investor interest. Today, the world of cryptocurrency goes far beyond simple transactions. It powers decentralized finance DeFi, allowing users to lend, borrow, and earn interest without traditional banks. DeFi platforms are built on public blockchains and use smart contract self-executing code that runs exactly as programmed without downtime or interference. Another major development is the rise of stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to traditional assets like the US dollar. These offer price stability while retaining the benefits of blockchain transactions. Popular stablecoins include USDT, USDC, and DAI, all widely used for trading and payment. Then there's the concept of altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies to Bitcoin. These include Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and thousands more, each offering different features, such as faster transaction times or support for decentralized applications. Tokenomics is a term often used to describe the economic structure behind a cryptocurrency project. It includes the total supply, distribution method, inflation or deflation rate, and incentives for holders. Understanding tokenomics is critical for assessing the long-term viability of any digital currency. Security is a major aspect of the crypto world. Blockchain networks are inherently secure, but users must be cautious. Private keys must be kept safe, phishing attacks must be avoided, and using reputable platforms for trading and storage is essential. Scams, rug pulls, and fake tokens are part of the landscape, making do your own research a key phrase in the crypto community. Decentralized exchanges DEXs and centralized exchanges CEXs are platforms where cryptocurrencies are traded. CEXs like Binance and Coinbase are user-friendly and provide high liquidity. DEXs like Uniswap and PancakeSwap let users trade directly from their wallets, offering greater control but requiring more technical knowledge. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrency. Some countries have embraced it, while others have imposed restrictions or outright bans. Still, the global trend is moving toward crypto regulation frameworks, aiming to protect investors while fostering innovation. Beyond trading, cryptocurrency is also being adopted for remittances, cross-border payments, and even as legal tender in some nations. The unbanked population in developing regions is gaining access to digital finance through mobile-based crypto solutions. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have introduced a new way of proving digital ownership. While NFTs are not currencies, they run on the same blockchain networks and use similar technology. They're primarily used in gaming, art, and digital identity. Another evolving aspect is crypto staking, where users earn passive income by locking up their coins to help maintain the network. Staking has become a popular alternative to mining, especially for eco-conscious investors. Artificial intelligence is now intersecting with crypto, powering automated trading bots, fraud detection systems, and market analysis tools. As both technologies mature, their integration will unlock even more use cases and efficiencies. The idea of digital scarcity underpins the value proposition of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's total supply is capped at 21 million, creating a deflationary model that mimics precious metals like gold. This has led some to refer to Bitcoin as digital gold, positioning it as a store of value rather than just a currency. As adoption grows, we're seeing cryptocurrencies used for real-world purchases, from coffee to cars. Retailers and payment processors are gradually integrating crypto payment gateways, making it easier for consumers to spend digital assets. Cryptocurrency is reshaping the future of finance with decentralization, transparency, and innovation at its core. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, staying informed is key in this fast-moving space. Want to dive deeper? Subscribe now for more insights into crypto, blockchain, and the tech driving the future of money.